What up, fam? This your boy Jake to the yeah, and we fix to make some beats using YouTube melodies. That's right, you can get started making beats real easy just by using YouTube melodies. And then what I mean by that, go to YouTube, type in free melody loops, and then download them hoes. Bring them over into your favorite DAW. In this case, I'm using Persona Studio One, and I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about. Let me show you what I'm talking about. We're gonna go over import file. Go to download, free loops, bada bing. There we go. Now let's find a loop we can mess with like that. Let's skip. This may be a good one. Let's see what it is. We're gonna use that one. Yeah. So let's just go ahead and start chopping this up. We're gonna chop that right about that. That'll get rid of all of that. Then we can bring this on back. Let's make that a little bit smaller so I can see what I'm doing. Bring this all the way back to bar number 1. Now let's get to chopping. Then we got to find where this loop starts. Because this particular download, we're going to undo the snap. This particular download had several loops in one track. So let's see. So we got to figure out where the start point is. I'm always looking for the dip right in front of it. Let's see. Ooh, that may be it. I may have hit that right on the nail. But let's go back just a little bit more because it sounds like it may be kind of cut off. So maybe right there. Oh, let's just do that. But we're going to do something a little different. Let's fade that out a little bit. Way less harsh. Now we got that. Let's count off the bars. 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4, 6, 2, 3, 4, 7, 2, 3, 4, 8, 2, 3, 4. Boom. So this is an 8-bar loop. We'll just chop that off right there. Then we're going to find the end of the loop. We got to find the end of it. Expand it out a little bit. So I think the end of it is going to be right there. So let's expand it out a little bit more. Yeah. Yep. We're going to take that out right there. And here's a good way to test that out. All you gotta do is highlight that loop. It don't even matter if it's in tempo. See how that was smooth? But then we're gonna have to crossfade that though, champ. We're gonna have to crossfade that. Where's my crossfades? Event. Nope. Crossfade. Made it smooth. So now we got that done, and really we can come back over here. Yeah, we'll leave that alone. Now we got that done. We know that it's 8 bars. Now we're gonna stretch this out to 8 bars since we don't know what the tempo is, and it's not lining right up. This needs to come all the way out to this 9. So we're gonna hit Alt and then put the snap tool back on and drag it on out. It's gonna be slower because its tempo is 120, but we're gonna speed it up. We're gonna speed this up to like 150, and then we're gonna have to drag it back to 9. That's gonna speed it up. 2. If you want to test it out, put your Metrodome on. Boom. So we got that straight. Now we got that all straight. We got a perfect loop. Let's add some drum. Let's add that always like that. And then to do that, we're not going to use no keyboard or nothing. We're just going to draw this out to like 2 bars. And then we're gonna add. You can do it like that, and then just duplicate. Duplicate that hoe. We don't need that metrodome. Then we want to add some flavor to it. Chop that bitch up. We need to add another chop. Then we want to chop it up some more. Put it on 30 seconds. Let's start with a chop. And then just adding flavor, adding sauce. Add sauce. Boom. What is it? Let's add this, get this 808 going. Let's just go on and knock this out the way. Did I say knock this out the way? We're gonna add this. I don't know how long it is, but you got to stretch it to the end of it. I don't think that's the end of it. And let's play with it. Cuz. We're gonna do that. I'm just kind of going by ear at this point. Duplicate that and then stretch it all the way out. And I already see we're gonna do this like this. And ain't nothing up there. I'm just going by ear. I think that's good right there. That's too far. Let's bring that like that. Now let's add a clap or something. What's this clap use? Basic clap. Let's just keep it basic. We're gonna keep it basic. Do that the same way. And claps are gonna be on 3. So 3, 3, and we're done. Now we can take that and boom, you got a beat. But we want to let's add this little kick to it. And we're going to use this same pattern down here. Oops. May want to try to bring it up a little bit, see what it do. That may be good enough. Yeah, I become, and you got a beat. Ooh, I just coming. I just keep it on the same thing. I wish I could've did it in the same thing. My mind is kinda fucked up in the same thing. Wish we could've did it and our names in the same thing. Now, like if you want to switch it up a little bit, I did this in other videos, but this is what I like doing. Cool. You want to switch that melody up a little bit. Let's go and bring it down here. Then you come over to the actual track, and then you want to add Then you want to just slap some filtering on it to change it up from. I like doing this. I like doing it right here. Look at it right here. Look at it right here. not enough. Let's do it. What I'm trying to do is change this loop up just enough to create some separation from like the main loop. So what we're gonna do instead is let's close all of that shit down and add some type of, let's add the filter, auto filter. I don't like none of that. None of it. So instead, let's come back up here. Come back up here. Instead, let's add this EQ right here. And I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. Let's loop this for the time being. Just anywhere. That's fine. Loop it because I need to hear it separately. That EQ ain't doing shit. Hey. I think that's what I'm looking for. Then we come back over here and we can see the difference because it's going to make it sound a little bit different. Unsolo that bitch though first. So this will be the chorus. See how we kind of dampen it. We so funky with it though, you know we funky with it. This your boy. Like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.